Gold has long been regarded as a symbol of wealth, tradition, and cultural significance in India, especially for women. Data reveals a deep rooted cultural connection between Indian women and gold jewelry, with ownership often spanning generations. According to the World Gold Council, Indian women collectively own approximately 24,000 tons of gold. This accounts for nearly 11% of the world's total gold reserves in jewelry form, underscoring India's global prominence in household gold ownership. The scale of this ownership is striking. Research shows that Indian women's gold holdings surpass the combined reserves of the top 5 nations: the United States, 8,000 tons, Germany, 3,300 tons, Italy, 2,450 tons, France, 2,400 tons, and Russia, 1,900 tons. These figures highlight how Indian households collectively outpace not only these nations but also major entities like the IMF and Switzerland, as noted in reports by the Oxford Gold Group. South India emerges as a leader in gold ownership, accounting for 40% of India's total, with Tamil Nadu contributing a significant 28%. A study conducted by the World Gold Council during 2020-2021 estimated household gold ownership in India to range between 21,000 and 23,000 tons. By 2023, this figure had surged to 24,000 to 25,000 tons, equivalent to over 25 million kilograms. This reserve represents a substantial share of the nation's wealth, reportedly covering 40% of India's GDP. Tax regulations also emphasize gold's cultural importance. Indian tax laws permit married women to own up to 500 grams of gold, unmarried women up to 250 grams, and men up to 100 grams. These guidelines reflect the nation's long-standing association with gold as both an economic asset and a cultural cornerstone. Stay tuned to Orissa Post Live for more such updates.